What if you could ditch the noisy generator and the endless search for a powered campsite for good? What if I told you the key to true, unlimited off-grid freedom is sitting right on top of your RV, soaking up free energy from the sun? Today, we are cutting through all the confusing options and counting down the top 7 RV solar kits you can grab right now. We'll compare them head to head so you'll know exactly which one is perfect for your adventure. Let's dive in. All the links for the products we talk about are waiting for you in the description below. 7. Renogy 200W Monocrystalline RV Solar Panel Kit. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Renogy 200 Water Starter Kit. Think of this as the perfect, no-nonsense entry point into the solar world from a brand you can trust. It's a complete package that gives you 2 high-efficiency panels that are fantastic at pulling in power even on cloudy days, a reliable charge controller, and all the brackets you need. This kit is a workhorse, easily keeping your batteries topped off to run lights, your water pump, and even a small fridge. This means you can comfortably spend a long weekend off the grid without worrying about your battery bank running dry. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the well-written instructions and high-quality mounting hardware, making it an excellent DIY project for a Saturday afternoon. While it's built tough with a 25-year power warranty, it does use a more basic PWM controller, meaning you're leaving a little bit of potential power behind compared to premium MPPT options. But for weekend warriors or those just starting their solar journey, this kit offers incredible reliability and value. 6. ECO-worthy 260W Flexible Solar Panel Kit. Coming in at number 6, we have a solution for anyone with a curved roof or who's worried about adding weight. The ECO-worthy 260-watt flexible kit. Unlike the rigid Renogy panels we just saw, these are super thin, lightweight, and can bend up to 30 degrees to fit the unique shape of your van or Airstream. This flexibility makes them a favorite for minimalist setups where every pound counts. Installation is a breeze. You can often just use adhesive, no drilling required, which is a huge bonus for maintaining the integrity of your RV roof. It's an incredibly affordable way to get a lot of rated wattage in a flexible form, making it possible to cover more surface area. The big trade-off here, however, is long-term durability. A number of users have reported that these panels don't always last as long as their rigid cousins, with cracking being a concern after extended exposure to harsh weather or foot traffic. So, while it's a budget-friendly and simple solution for tricky roofs, you are trading proven reliability for that flexibility and low price point. 5. Renogy 400W Monocrystalline Solar RV Kit. At number 5, we're leveling up to some serious power with the Renogy 400-watt RV Kit. This is for the RVer who wants to significantly cut down on generator use and run more substantial appliances. With 4 high-performance 100-watt panels, this system is a beast, capable of running multiple appliances at once and keeping you powered up for days. With this much wattage, you can confidently power your TV, charge multiple laptops, and maybe even run a blender for your morning smoothie. It has that same rock-solid build quality Renogy is known for, with durable aluminum frames and impact-resistant glass that can handle just about any weather you throw at them, from heavy snow to high winds. Just like its smaller 200-watt sibling, this kit comes with a basic PWM controller, which is its main weak spot. For a 400-watt system, upgrading to an MPPT controller would truly unlock its full potential, boosting efficiency significantly, especially in colder temperatures. But as a complete, powerful, and trusted starter package, this is one of the best ways to build a foundation for serious off-grid living. Eco-worthy 200W Solar Panel Kit. Host, sliding into our number 4 spot, is the ECO-worthy 200-watt kit. And this one is all about one thing: price. This is undeniably one of the most affordable ways to get a complete 200-watt solar setup, making it super accessible if you're on a tight budget or just want to experiment with solar for the first time. For your money, you get 2 panels, a controller, and all the necessary wiring and connectors to get going with your DIY project. However, this is a classic case of you get what you pay for. Many users report that the actual power output is quite a bit lower than the advertised 200 watts, and the included charge controller has a reputation for being unreliable long-term, sometimes failing after only a few months of use. This inconsistency in performance means you might not always have the power you expect when you need it most. Compared to the Renogy 200W kit at number 7, you'll save some cash up front with eco-worthy, but you're sacrificing a lot in terms of performance, consistency, and component quality, which is crucial for off-grid confidence. Reworked 200W solar panel kit. At number 3, we have the WERCHTAY 200 watt solar panel kit. This is another super budget-friendly option, similar to the eco-worthy kit, but it has a secret weapon: modern half-cut cell technology in its panels. This advanced design, which is usually found on more expensive, premium panels, helps them perform a bit better when partially shaded by things like tree branches or rooftop equipment, allowing the unshaded parts to still produce power. Unfortunately, that's where the good news mostly ends. The performance is still pretty underwhelming, with real-world power often falling far short of the 200-watt promise, leading to longer charging times for your batteries. And just like our last pick, the included basic PWM controller and overall build quality are a big question mark for long-term use. The mounting hardware in particular often feels cheap and less durable than the competition. It's an interesting piece of tech at a very low price, but it's hard to recommend for anyone who needs power they can truly depend on for extended off-grid stays. 2. SOLPERK 50W solar panel kit. All right, for our next 2 spots, we're shifting gears a bit. At number 2 is the SOLPERK 50-watt kit, and this isn't designed to power your whole RV. It's a specialized battery maintainer. Its one job is to keep your 12V batteries, both starting and house batteries, from completely dying and suffering irreparable damage when your RV or boat is in storage. And it does that job incredibly well. With a powerful 50-watt output, a waterproof charge controller that's perfect for outdoor use, and an adjustable sturdy mounting bracket, this kit is a reliable set-it-and-forget-it solution to protect your expensive batteries. It provides way more juice than a typical weak trickle charger, effectively fighting the natural draw from parasitic loads in your RV's systems. For simple, year-round battery maintenance and extending the life of your battery investment, this little powerhouse offers fantastic value and peace of mind. 1. Voltset 30W solar panel kit with MPPT. And taking our top spot for a very specific reason is the Voltset 30 watts solar panel kit. Now you might be thinking, 30 watts, why is that number 1? It's because of one game-changing feature, an MPPT charge controller. This is super advanced tech for a small maintainer kit, where most competitors only use basic PWM controllers. While the SOLPERK we just saw has more raw power, this Voltset is smarter. The MPPT controller constantly tracks the maximum power point, squeezing 20–30% more energy out of the panel, especially on cold or cloudy days when efficiency matters most. This means it delivers a more consistent, reliable charge in all conditions, making it an all-weather workhorse. It's truly maximizing the potential of the small panel. If you want the most efficient, high-tech, and intelligent way to maintain your batteries through the off-season, the Voltset is the undisputed champion of trickle chargers. And the overall winner is... So, after looking at everything from budget kits to powerful arrays and smart maintainers, which one is the best overall solar kit for an RV roof? For us, the winner has to be the Renogy 400-watt kit from our number 5 spot. While it comes with a basic controller, its combination of substantial power, fantastic build quality, and the backing of a top-tier brand makes it the perfect foundation for any serious RVer. It gives you more than enough power to live comfortably off-grid, and you can always upgrade the controller down the road to make it even more efficient, future-proofing your investment. It simply offers the best balance of power, quality, and value for a true long-term RVer setup. So guys, that was our look at the best solar kits for your RV. What do you think? Are you running solar on your rig? Let me know which kit you love in the comments below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more RV tips and reviews. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you for watching.